if anybody does kick up, it's a great psychology move. You know, a great psychologist, say you're all up in the air about something. Oh, my partner, this, or this. They'll go, well, what do you want to happen? What do you want out of this? It's nothing better than a bit of curiosity. You can do it to your clients too. Oh, well, I shouldn't have to pay. I don't think. How do you think it should go? Oh, well. You're like, oh, right. So if you don't show, what I'm hearing is I should just get no money. Then maybe I can't pay rent. Maybe I can't feed the kids. Maybe I can't eat. How does that sound? And they might be like, it takes a real asshole to go, yeah, that's exactly how it should be. You know, there's nothing more powerful than a bit of curiosity. Always flip it back. So how do you think it should go? I think it should go like this. And then this is where great like communication and negotiation could come in. Maybe this one time they might meet you halfway and go, you know what? Okay, I'll pay 50%, but every other time from now, it's going to have to be 100%. Great. Okay. At least we've met in the middle ground. Like, you know, bring them on a journey. Again, we can, the communication is great. There's no right or wrong. There's no, you know, it doesn't have to be any black or white way, but a bit of curiosity is really powerful. You know, if it really gets to that point, also, how do you think this should be then? Oh, well, if I don't show, I don't think I should have to pay. Okay, so if I get 5 of those in a row, that's 5 appointments I don't get paid for. Does that sound good? And then it just brings the reality back to it. You know, so it's like someone said it on there was a great Instagram post of like, you know, imagine telling your imagine you owned a company, or imagine you telling your staff, oh, you know, you're in for 8 hours today. I'm only going to be able to pay you for 5. So is that good? Everybody happy with that? They tell you to get fucked. They'd be like, no, Jeremy, you're paying me for the whole 8 to 10 hours I'm here. No, but I only want to pay you for 5. Like, you see, it's that same thing. So yeah, a bit of curiosity is very, very powerful. Just relaying it back.
For you, right? Like,